Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Corolla versus the Jetta crash tests. Choosing a safe car is a top priority for many drivers, and both of these popular sedans offer impressive protection. We will explore their crash test performance and highlight key safety features to help you understand which vehicle might be better for your needs. The Toyota Corolla consistently receives high marks for safety. It often earns a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Additionally, the Corolla is frequently recognized as an IA's top safety pick. Its comprehensive Toyota Safety Sense suite includes features like a pre-collision system and lane departure alert, enhancing driver awareness and preventing accidents. The Volkswagen Jetta also demonstrates strong safety performance, frequently achieving a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Administration. Its robust construction includes a rigid safety cage and crumple zones designed to absorb impact energy. The Jetta's IQ drive system offers advanced driver assistance features such as blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking, contributing to overall road safety. When comparing the Toyota Corolla and the Volkswagen Jetta, both vehicles stand out as very safe choices. They consistently earn top crash test ratings and offer extensive safety features. While specific ratings can vary by year and trim, both manufacturers prioritize occupant protection and accident prevention. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your individual preferences for features and driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.